Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog, there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial, we will look at new version of the program, 2020.2. I will compare this version with the previous one, 2020.1. New version of Incomedia website X5 Pro brings new functionality, structure data. At the moment, the program supports 10 types of structure data. For example, product, local business, logo, site link, search box, and others. In short, structure data helps to create advanced snippets. Advanced snippets help to stand out in search results, and this helps to get more visitors or makes it work like that user will receive information on his request from your site. Website X5 add a special code based on information from your site. There are no special settings for structure data, except for data about the local company. They are located here in Settings, Advanced, Site Optimization SEO, Structure Data. You need to switch on this option and fill all of this data. Also, you can enable opening hours and add images. Let's see on our site. I export it to the web. Here is my home page. Let's see Structure Data Testing Tool. It's from Google. We enter site URL and run the test. Here we can see what data was detected. We can see website data. It's for site link search box. Also, we can see local business data. Here we can see the data that we fill in this form. As you can see, there is one warning. No errors. You can ignore warnings, but not ignore errors. Let's test another page. For example, list of orders. Here I have 9 products. Let's start new test, and we see product item list. Structure data for each product have warnings, so as I have 9 items, for each item there are several problems. That's why there are a lot of warnings, but as I already say, you can just ignore it. The other changes you can see in Settings Advanced. The Statistics SEO and Code section was divided into Statistic and Code and Website Optimize SEO. There are the same settings as in previous version, but now in 2 sections. Also, the Control Panel section was merged with the Website X5 Manager section into one section, Control Panel and Website X5 Manager. All these changes apply only to the Pro version. In next video we will talk about useful objects and settings that will help you to work with the program.